beautiful natural lovers and hey cute natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm your girl Shauna. As you guys can see, I got in some curls in my hair, so I am going to be showing you 3 ways that you can style your curly hair. So with this first style, I am just gonna be doing a center part. This is a simple one, very simple, which I think everybody know this style. So I'm just basically parting my hair in the center, which is not fully in the center, but so after I get that parting perfect, I'm gonna go right ahead and use some Eco Salad gel to my hair root as well, right? And I'm just gonna comb it in, and then I'm gonna take out some hair for my baby hair using the same Eco Salad gel to do my edges, guys. Yeah, remember to like up the video, share up the video, then hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet, blow the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Voila, that's style number 1, which is simple, and cute. Yeah, I'm loving this. Really nice. People, those girls are really looking good. Alright, so moving on to style number 2. So basically I'm gonna be doing a side part. Comb again once more to pick that hair up. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go back again and use my Eco Salad gel by adding it to the root, and then I'm gonna take out some hair for my edges. Yeah, so this time I'm gonna be using the Obsession hair wax to do my edges this time. There you have it. Beautiful. I love this style. Yeah, I love this style, and I had to, let me put on my glass. Let me put on my shades. Okay. Beautiful. I love this style. It goes right back again. Simple, nice. Look how cute she is in her glasses. Alright, so moving on to style number 3, I'm gonna be using this black headband. So I'm going to be doing a little high puff, and then I'm going to be sectioning off my hair into 2. As you guys can see, I'm going to catch that little part there with this black rubber band. And bam, there you have it. That's another style. Basically, I am doing a high puff. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, this one is very simple. Yeah. All right, so moving on. I think this is the last one. So basically what I did is just roll my hair and then add a blacky rubber band at the end. Yes, I'm doing the same thing that I did on that side over onto the other side. Then I'm going to be joining them together just like that, and I just use a blacky rubber band to join them together. All right, I am just picking that hair up with the comb. Yeah. I found this hairstyle really cute. I really love this one. Beautiful. Remember to like up the video them, share up the video them, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed as yet, below the comment section, and remember to turn on your post notification bell. Natural lovers, road to 1K.